With a few pointers and a little practice, it's simple to master the basic technique of using a handsaw. Here's how. You're going to start by getting a small notch going. Now the saw will leave a kerf, the groove left behind by the blade teeth. So start a bit to the waist side of the cut line. You can always sand down the edge if it's a little too long. Hold your saw correctly, about a 45-degree angle to where you're cutting. Keep your elbow close to your body to keep the cut straight and prevent the blade from wobbling. Pointing out your forefinger along the grip helps get a more accurate cut. Keep the blade straight. Take long strokes to use the full length of the blade. Don't press down heavily on the saw or it will bind. Let the saw do the work for you. Here are a few more tips. Clamp a scrap of wood along your cut line. It helps keep the blade in line and protects the surface if your saw skips. If the wood is pinching in or behind the cut, the saw can bind. Stick a nail in the kerf as you go to prevent this. Cut with a shallow angle when you're cutting wet wood or when you get toward the end of your cut to finish it off smoothly. Use a sharp blade and make sure you're using the right saw for the job. For the tips, advice, and tools you need, visit your neighborhood Ace and find us online at acehardware.com.